Guys, it's your girl Jessica with Nigel's Jamaican Almond World, and I just wanted to show you how wonderful our oil is for babies. If you know me, you know that I'm a full-time granny during the week, so I'm going to show you how I use our Jamaican almond oil on our granddaughter Kalia. All right, so here's the bottle here, but I always put it in a spray bottle because it makes it easier for me. So, but here's the bottle. And then just spray a little in my hand. And then she gets oiled down. Jamaican almonds are rich in magnesium and zinc. So she hasn't had diaper rash. She's 3 months old. She hasn't had diaper rash yet. And she's, what are you doing? Huh? You grab it on there, huh? And acts as a natural sunscreen because it has a lot of zinc, magnesium, vitamin E. Yes, it'll help with cradle cap. And you can see she doesn't have any, because she's been getting this oil on her ever since she was even in the hospital. I saw my daughter put it on her. I was like, oh my gosh. And she's like, hey, this is what I want on my baby's skin. So I'm so happy that spray this a little bit here, get her back. I'm so happy and feel so blessed that Nigel makes almond oil that I can use on my grandbabies. So, all right, thank you. Say thank you. Say I love Nigel Jamaican almond oil. Say that's my grampy. All right. Well, thank you. Bye-bye.